Got to my woman and everybody, Jamie from Wayapa Work. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If this is the first video you're watching, we've got some new subscribers. Woohoo! That's fantastic. Keep liking, subscribing and sharing about earth wellness and earth connectedness from a Wayapa perspective. I'm a bit sweaty today. I don't edit my videos. What you see is what you get. It's a little bit muggy. We've had a big hot day yesterday. So today's element, day 4 of 14 days of Wayapa, is the earth and the environment. The interconnectivity of that. Our connection to that, the very thing that sustains us. So earth and water. So it's about looking after the whole, as I spoke about in the shorter video before on our page, is about wellness, and we can only truly have wellness is if our earth and waters are well, if our environment is well. One of the things that I've been seeing a lot of lately is the actual division of the word environment being used in different contexts, when it's okay to describe it at that, but they're not separate. And what I mean by that is that people talk about, oh, this is my office environment, this is my home environment, this is my work environment, or this is my social environment, or this is an urban environment, or this is a rainforest environment, or this is a desert environment. Guess what, guys? It's all one environment. It's all interconnected. So what happens and what impacts in your work environment affects that rainforest environment, that desert environment, that ocean environment, that rural environment. The interconnectivity of what we pollute. Like I said before, we brought our backpack today to go out and actually look at the rubbish, but then pick it up. The two biggest things that we see on the roadsides: alcohol containers, bottles, cans, and fast food wrappers. And I know what that means. That's disconnection. Disconnection to self, disconnection to their environment. So talking about the earth and how the earth was made up, as we talked about the creator element, the creator giving us this beautiful gift of Mother Earth, the waters, the air that we breathe, the rain that fills the waterways up, is about talking about what is going to be our impact on that. We see beautiful hills here. Yep, we have to actually cut roads through them. That environment's been changed. We are standing on a site that has been exposed by erosion, which is, it's got a prop here, which is what they call a Triassic site. So it's very ancient. And the layers of this are over 230 million years old. So when you look at this little chunk of rock here, you'll actually see bits of quartzite, but you'll also actually see shells here that are actually millions of years old. Now, not far from here, there's a massive tip site. Yep, it's probably similar to an Aboriginal midden site back in the day when you walk along. So you might come across a big shell site where Aboriginal people discarded their shells. That's where they had to feed, put their stuff. Modern day concept of that is what they call a transfer station, old school tip, where we put our rubbish into landfill. What's going to happen in 230 million years if we're around that long? I don't know. Hopefully we will be if we look after our environment.